Guys, if you're facing the problem that you are banned for 7 days, 3 days or for any time on the Roblox account, so how to get your Roblox account unbanned? So first of all, you have to open your favorite browser and then search here for Roblox support form and then hit the enter. After doing so, you have to just open the first website support Roblox and then here you will find such type of the interface. Now you have to just put here your details about your contact information like the first name and email address. Now you have to just confirm your email address here, and after that you have to put here your issue details like what device you are using. I am selecting my PC, and then here you have to select the account hacked or cannot log in, and the third question you have to just select here the account hacked option like this. After you have to just make a description about your issue like I am making that I have noticed that I have been banned on my account. I have reviewed the guidelines, given your reason for putting a ban on my account and can see where I went wrong. I am really sorry. I promise that I will never repeat it again, and I will follow the community guidelines strictly. Please kindly restore my account. Once again, I am really sorry. You have to make such type of the description, but make sure that you point out these apologizing words here. Also add the words about following the community guidelines, and after that you have to just click on the submit. Within a couple of hours you will get reply from the support team of Roblox and your account will be unbanned. For more information about this type of the videos, visit our website in description. So that's all for this video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.